All right, we're back. Mudflood City, part 2. So right now we're in a place called Park Estate, and I'm about to show you some caves or some tunnels. Pretty much, we're not sure what it is. They say it was built for horse and carriage, but how big were these horses? I mean, look at that. Oh my days. I'm gonna have to see what building that is up there as well. Looks Tartarian. Shout out to JJ, my Don. So yeah, seems to be a cave up there. They've got some netting. I don't think you can see the netting. Can you see the netting? Stop people from climbing up there. Where is this? This is in Park Estate. Or some people believe it's Canning Circus. Should I climb the cave? Get a drone. I think I'm gonna climb it. But yeah, let's go back up this way. So it's crazy. It really is crazy, because how would they have done this? Dynamite? They used to have a sign on here, but it seems to have been gone. Do not underestimate the bully slayer. Signals going. Oh, they don't want the truth to be told. It's crazy. I mean, I believe that's where they used to hang people. See that there? That's where people used to get excommunicated permanently. Shout out to Bear Grylls. Big up the Leicester man them. Where am I? I am in Nottingham, Park Estate, or Park Hill, or Canning Circus. It's like in between areas. Go down at night time. Yeah, I could do. That's impossible to do with dynamite. Exactly. I don't know what technique they would have used. So like I said, you need to see the levels. So you go all the way up here. Oh, almost fell over. Oh, almost died. Oh shit. But yeah, so you're just on the roadside. You're just on the roadside, Bob. And then you got like a what, 200-foot drop? $200-foot drop, bro. So yeah, it's crazy. So for the people that want to Google the area, Upper College Street. What we got down here? And the mud flood. Let's go hunting. Who wants to go hunting? It's mud flood season. Huh? Hunting it. Trust me. Oh, it's a trap. Let's go hunting. Oh, what we got here? Mud flood. You know a mud flood building, when the windows are lower, than the ground level. Okay. Look at that, the roof's there, bruv. Levels to this. Levels to this. So we're gonna go mud flood hunting. I've had enough. I've had enough of this goddamn shit. Yeah? If you want something doing, you gotta bloody do it yourself. You know that what's there? If you want something doing, you gotta do it yourself. So I'm gonna go mud flood hunting. Somebody said, be safe. This is the life we've chosen. Frontline action. I'm telling you. So we're gonna go hunting now. See what's up here. Where are we now? See what we can discover this morning. Shout out to everybody watching this, wherever you are, what time of day it is. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What we got down here? That's mad, look. Can you see that there? So that lets you know that there was a building under this car park. Okay? You see that there as a doorway? Steps going up. There would have been a building here. It's obviously gone. Been replaced with this, which is still kind of Tartarian. Is somebody dissing the bully slayer? I'm gonna make you a mod, JJ. Yeah, you're a mod, JJ. And JJ, you're a mod. So anybody dissing the slayer, block them. Get me? We only want supporters, no trolls. No trolls around here, bruv. So yeah, we're going hunting right now. So to give up the smokes. I've put on a bit of extra weight, so my breathing's a bit off. All of this is mud flood, guaranteed. There's buildings upon buildings underneath this. Let's go down here. Should I jump down? What, we jumping? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Man ain't jumping. Shout out to Bear Grylls for the gifts. What, we jumping now, yeah? Yeah, we could jump that. Oh, almost died. Ah, almost died. So yeah, we're doing this hunting thing right now, you know. Look at this. I wonder what was in there. What do you reckon, statues? Trust me, building upon building. This is mud flood city, bruv. Trying to tell you. We're so far from ground level. Oh, that's mud flood all day. Look at the drop. You'd never think that, would you? We're far from ground level, people. Hello, just recording. Yeah, I'm a semi-famous TikToker. Sorry? I'm a semi-famous TikToker. I have no idea about that. Oh, yeah, I study like old buildings or buildings that go down deep and caves and stuff like that. So I was over there looking at the tunnel with a horse. And have you gone down Yeah, I went down there. Yeah. So just looking around, showing them. All right, thanks. Yeah, this is a fairly posh neighborhood. Okay, so anytime you see a random black man with a camera, oh hell no. But yeah, look at that. And people say it's basement. Are you not waiting to get flooded? You would never build like this. Your original plan would never be to dig deep down into the ground and start building. You wouldn't do that. And just look at the way it's all patchwork. When you see patchwork like this, you're talking civilizations building on top of different civilizations. Let me get my portable battery out. Bear with me, people. My battery power's running out. But don't worry, I've got a portable battery pack. Man, I'm ready. Man, I'm ready. Man, I'm ready. God, I'm sweating like a Mexican. So yeah, bear with me, people. Bear with me. Because right now, we're mud flood hunting. Shout out to everybody in the live showing love. Big up Elena, new subscriber. Shout out to Craig, where you there? Big up JJ. Are you a mod, JJ? Yeah, you're a mod. All love. So yeah, people, we're hunting today. If you want something doing, you got a blood clot, do it yourself. So yeah. So you'll have buildings like this. Yeah. Straight away, can you see that there? A brick behind what? What's that meant to be? When you see something like that, you've got to know there's something underneath it, bruv. Oh my days. Not a basement. So for all you people that keep saying they're basements, they're not basements, bruv. The conversions. Look at that. Look at that. How deep do you think that goes down there? That's glass blocking more windows. Not a basement. Shout out to Bear Grylls, big gifter. Big up the Leicester man them. Goes on for days. Goes on for days. I gotta be careful. Because I don't want the police to roll up on man. Hey! Serious. I'm a famous TikToker, god damn it. Mud floody. Which way should we go? Should we go left? Should we go right? Right's the main road, so we're gonna go left. Why are you sweating? Someone said, why are you sweating? God damn it. Because I got like hoodies, joggers, I'm on live. I'm walking up hills. Man said, why are you sweating, you know? Because I'm hot. Yo. Trust me. It's going down. So right now we're going a bit further down. Oh, hell no. Almost died. Trust me. All of these buildings have got like 8 floors. All of them. All of them, bruv. This is one of the posher areas in Nottingham as well. And you can tell why, for the fact that These are like the old original housings. See them poles there? It's Tartarian tech. Trying to tell you. Frontline action. And this is just the beginning, people. I'm telling y'all. I'm just trying to get your beats wet. I'm trying to get your beats wet. Because I'm going all over the world with this. I'm just doing this right now to let you know how easy it is to do it in your own town. Telling y'all. Imagine if you drop your phone down there. Pissed. I gotta go up there. Risking my life. You know when you're risking your life for views? I mean, when you look at this side, you never think you're that high up. I don't know if there's any perspective on this for you guys, if you can see how high I really am. Big up my brethren, Bear Grylls. I'm still going to do your shout out to you, don't worry. I'm going to do a special video for you for that. And post it. It's a bit weird. That was probably it. And you see, when you see buildings like this, this was all one building. All one building, bro. Like, think about now, yeah? Think about now when they're building houses, yeah? Supposedly how easy it is to get resources. How economically advanced everything is and structured everything is. Yet we're building houses that fall apart in 2 seconds. People say, how did these buildings survive a mud flood? Because these buildings was built with these superior techniques, bruv. They was built gigantic. And they was built sturdy. These buildings now, they blow away in the rain. Blow away in the rain. Trying to tell you. Shout out to everybody in the live. Big up the gifters. Shout out to Bear Grylls. Big up the real supporters out there. Hit that like screen. Trust me, if you can't send me a biscuit, at least hit the like. You know them ones. I'm in Nottingham, people. For the people that are asking. Yeah, I'm from there. Alright. So, we're going to keep walking now. Trust me. Shout out to everybody that said it's the first time they've heard my real voice. Oh, you son of a bitch. You think you've got me. Oh, you got my ass now. All right, we could go back round these ways, or we could go up here. Let's take a spin around this way. So yeah, people. Shout out to the man from Manchester. I'm gonna go this way. I can see a building I want to show you guys. Someone said breathe. I know. I haven't been doing cardio. I've been bulking. So, and it's all hills. Don't get it twisted, people. It's all hills. Yeah? Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, bro. I'm in Mudflood City. Someone said, when am I heading to Antarctica? That's the last stop. That's when I get shut down. That's when I get shut down. Is it lagging again? Oh, don't lag me out. So yeah, for the people that have just joined the live, I'm Mudflood hunting. And right now we're in the city of Nottingham. But I will be coming to your city soon. And when I do, you're free to come and meet up with me, have a little chat. You get me? Mudflood. I can't believe people would believe these are all basements. Some new building there. Oh, is it lagging? Oh, they think that I'm lagging, not the stream. God damn. I'm sweating. Sweating. Where are we at now? Make a one spin round. Yeah, I'll be coming to Amsterdam, people. Don't get it twisted. I'll be coming to Amsterdam. Yeah. Shout out to everybody in the live. Good workout. I know, it's all them hills, innit? Don't get it twisted. If you was on the flat ground, you couldn't catch me. But I was on the hills. So, forgive me. Yeah? I'm sweating like a Jamaican. Yeah, like a goddamn Jamaican. So what, TikTok's lagging? Mad. Mad. All right. Big up everybody for joining the live today. Yeah. I'm gonna start going live a bit more to show you these guys, show you the neighborhood and that. But yeah, it'll be a month or so before the true documentary starts being revealed. But trust me, it's gonna be legendary. When I come to Manchester, yeah, bro, I'm coming to all your things, bro. I'm doing the UK first. Yeah, started in Notts, hitting the Midlands, London, Exeter, all them places there. Then we're gonna go up to Leeds, Sheffield, Newcastle, Scotland, Wales, and then we're gonna go over to France. I'm telling you, it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna take a one little spin back round. I'm from Nottingham, everybody asking. I'm from Nottingham. Yeah. I've been on it. You don't know, people. Shout out to everybody. Big up the people from Bradford, Leicester, Sweden. Of course. Come in Sweden, bro. All these old brickworks. The old school red brick. Signs of Tartarian architecture with the red brick type doorways. See, the building that was on the other side of this is not there anymore, but it would have been absolutely amazing. Trust me, them red bricks, bruv. When you see red brickwork, I'm talking the old red brickwork, not the new red brickwork, the old red brickwork. They're Tartarian, trust me. It was a great empire. Shout out to the Moors. Mud flood, mad thing. It's a mad thing, bruv. Rome still reigns today. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna take one last spin back round to the first location for the people that have joined the live and hasn't seen it yet. And then we're gonna be done. Yeah. Jeez. Big up the gifters, man. Thank you. You see, when you see them circles like that, yeah, originally there wasn't no glass in it. I believe it was some type of sundial or solar panel system. Mud Flood City. So yeah, back to the original location. I mean, there's so much more to show you. There is so much more to show you. So it's a dude just still walking. Of course we are. It's a mad thing. So yeah, like I said, people, this is Park Hill, Park Estate. And this just lets you know how high we really was. Big drop. So yeah, like forgive me. Mad. You see that now? Hope it's not still lagging. This is in Park Hill. Yeah, it lags when I go into the cave. So apparently, like I said before, this was built for horse and carriage. How big would the horses need to be? You know we don't believe the mainstream narrative. Yeah, I don't know what that crest is. It's weird. Very old. Very old. So yeah, peoples. Like I said, Mud Flood City. You know what it is. You know what we do. And there's going to be a lot more content, a lot more footage to come. Yeah, make sure you recommend my content to people. Let them know what we're doing. Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the link in my bio. And yeah, oh my days. What in tarnations? Keep out private property. Oh, it's not looking good, bruv. Just a cave. Why is it just a cave like that? It's private property, people. So I might get arrested. But I must see what's up here. Oh, nothing. Look at that tree. There's something underneath here, I can hear it. Yeah, I can hear it. They've covered up something under here. Looking for the secret door to this cave. This is private property. So I may get arrested for this. But this is what we do. We risk lives. So I don't know why there's just a random cave like that. Oh, hell no. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here now. Yeah, this is what we do. This is what we do, bro. Hunting season. Ready. But yeah, there is some underground chambers in Nottingham still. I know where they are and I'm gonna break into them. I've been planning to do it for years. It's locked, but I plan to break the lock. So I'm gonna have to do that one at night time. It's gonna be absolutely scary. So yes, that's it for today. Like I said, click the link in the bio, show your support. And thank you for tuning in. Big up everybody that sent me gifts, that hit the like, that showed love. And yeah, man, until next time, people, take care, God bless, and we keep it so real, we keep it one foul wow.